Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm your personal nail instructor. In this amazing video, I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect cat claw nails. As you can see guys, right now I'm removing the nail polish. You can use simple nail file for removing nail polish. Never use the drill bit because the file is removing nail polish quickly. And of course you can use the liquid for removing the nail polish, but if the layer of the nail polish is old and if it's easy to remove it with the nail file, you can do it, and simultaneously you are removing the gloss from the nail plate. My favorite diamond flame drill bit helps me to work with the dead skin quickly and for removing the pterygia from the nail plate. We have to prepare these nails to the limit perfectly because the nail plate is short and we want to apply the extensions of very long nails, and if we lose something, it may cause liftings or breakings of the nail. As you can see guys, the tone is beautiful. This is the classic one, the classic sculpting mixed gel. By the way guys, now it's available 60 milliliters containers, big containers. You can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping, and no matter the amount of order, you can order only one bottle of this amazing product with free shipping to try. I hope guys you will enjoy it because a lot of customers, my friends, have tried this amazing gel and they are absolutely satisfied with this gel product. You can read comments down on the videos and feedbacks of my friends. You will enjoy it. Now I'm using the nail file again. At first I'm shaping sidewalls. This is the first phase of shaping gel nails. After we make sure that sidewalls are looking perfect and they're straight, we are proceeding to the shaping nails from the top. And after we make sure that everything is good, we are starting buffering the nail plate. As you can see, our nails I have all already covered with a beautiful French manicure, very vibrant pinkish tone. And I'm proceeding with drawing nails with the beautiful black cats. I like graceful black cats and I'm drawing them very quickly. And at the end we have applied a couple of rhinestones. I hope guys you enjoyed this nail design and you click like button this video. And all products you can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping and with the good prices. Hope you will enjoy it. See you tomorrow guys. Bye.